Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an outfit game. You might have seen the trend on Roblox, everyone is trying to make these games, but they kind of get lost on where to begin and how to make it. So in today's video I'm going to show you a free script, and I'll elaborate more about it, that you can use to make your first outfit game. Although I do want to say that there are better scripts out there that are paid, people that are actually talented at making these, and they provide it for a certain price. So I will link down below one of the best kits in my opinion for a reasonable price, and you can buy them there. And I'll make later also a tutorial based on that script alone, but at least for the free script today I'm going to explain how to get started. And yeah, so basically an outfit game, just to showcase what it is. This is one of the games that I built, and I have this game made with one of my friends. Basically what it does is it has a way to open outfits, and you can look at an outfit and you can purchase items through it. And that's basically it. This allows you to make revenue from the game, so every time someone purchases something that's or a classic clothing, or if it's a UGC, you get a percentage of that. So for UGC that's 40%, so anything that's like 3D, so for example like a hat or hair, you get 40% of that, even if it's not your own hair or your own hat, etc. So for classic clothing that's 10%. So if you sell something that's not yours, so not your shirt, not your pants, then you will earn just 10%. Of course, if you put in your own stuff into the game, then you earn the normal percentage. But this is basically it. Most kits come with a leaderboard and with the free one as well, and this will showcase like the top spender and the live purchase board. And that's basically it. So in today's video I'm just simply going to explain how to get started. In later videos I will also explain how to build your game, like actually building it, making it look good, just like this game, and where to find outfits, etc. Okay, so the kit that I'm going to showcase today is basically a revamped version of the Twins kit. So twinplayz, I'll also link down below his channel. He's the original one that made this kit, and later on I have revamped it. Why did I do that? It's because in this 1 year Roblox changed a few stuff, which makes some of the options in that game just outdated and broken. It still works on its own, so we'll still link it also down below, and I've just changed and added some stuff that I liked, and basically brought that out as a free kit to use. But of course credits to him, because he and his team, or I'm not sure, has made this, so I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm not like the one that made all the hard scripts, etc., because I didn't. I'm not that good at it, sadly. But basically, I'm going to showcase where to get this kit and mine. So for the game kit of twinplayz, you can just get it from this link that I will send. It's also in the description of this video, and I'll do the same. So later on I'll upload also a link on my profile, so make sure to follow me or whatever, just note my username down, and I will have here as a second game also where you can get this kit. Because basically what you will do is just go to here, you will download it or you will edit it in Studio, and then it opens up and you can make your game in there. Okay, so if you have downloaded my kit, then you can open it and you will see all this as well in Studio. You will have the GUI here. This is basically just the buttons on screen that will make it work. You have a spend leaderboard and a live purchase board. And of course also a few outfits to test it out. First of all, a few steps that we want to do. First is we want to click on File. We want to go to Game Settings. If it isn't saved, you will save it first. And then we go to Security. And in Security we need to enable a few options. At least the allow HTTP request, the second one, third one, and the fourth one is optional. So I do have like a teleport that you can use on your game. In this case we don't have it, so we turn it off. Then I want to showcase these are the outfits, and basically how this works is you will put an outfit into the outfits folder, and this way you can the script can find the outfits folder and basically let the script run, and it will show the UI and etc. So I'll show you what I mean by this. So if we walk towards these outfits, we click on E, and then you see the GUI. You can wear it, for example, or you can purchase the items that are displayed on the outfit. And this is all how it works. So you can see also it keeps track of how much is spent in the game, and if I were to buy something, then it also says live purchase board. Just keep in mind, whatever you're spending in this game in Studio will be hard to get rid of in the spend leaderboard, because in this game, of course, we can try it out. I'll look here. So for example, if I want to buy this, I can. You see it's a test purchase. So if I buy it, it has a little animation, and it will be showed on the live purchase board, and later on it will also update my leader stats. But I cannot delete this. I didn't actually spend this money, so it's actually fake, and that's because it's in Studio. And if you want to, you can of course use this as a way to showcase, oh, a lot of people have spent money on this game, but it's hard to get rid of. So I advise to not do this at all, and just to just keep it neat. If you want to test it out, you can always test it out in a different file, but not on the actual file that you want to publish. So that's for just how the outfits work. How the script reads it is by them being in the outfits folder. If we place it in just alone in the workspace and we click on play, there you see that the name of the outfit, number 1, is displayed, and I cannot view the outfit, as you see. So whenever this happens, you know why, and it's because it's not in the outfits folder. Also, something good to mention is the outfits folder needs to be exactly this name, and it cannot be in a different model, it cannot be in a different folder, it just needs to be how it's displayed here. Same goes for the boards, else it will not work. So don't mess around with these folders or change the names, because the scripts look at the name, it looks where it is located, so if it's not aligning with the script, then it will not work. That's basically it. So furthermore, if you download this file, then of course you have everything in the right settings, and you only need to put it the security settings on. But of course, if you don't have any knowledge about this type of studio files, etc., just be aware that if you already made or a build, or you want to have these scripts in an existing game, you will need to copy every script, every remote event, everything that is in this file needs to be in there as well. Just not the outfits, that's it, and these stands. But everything else needs to be there. So how would you do this? So for example, if you have an existing game, I'll just showcase it really fast. So I have a new file open, and I want these scripts in there. So what you can do is just, for example, first one would be replicated storage, right? So I hold shift, then it will be all selected, Control C or copy, and then we go to the different file, replicated storage, and paste into. And that is what you need to do for every place that has something in it. So server script service, server storage, starter, GUI, etc. And you do that for everything. And that's it. And of course also these boards and the outfits folder and music holder folder, because we want to, of course, have some music in game, just to have a bit more of a vibe going on. So that's basically it for just the script. So if you have done that, the next step would be, of course, getting outfits. Getting outfits can be a little bit tricky. So what we can do, right, is use, for example, a plugin. The plugin, I will also put this down below. It's one of the best plugins that I ever came across for these type of games. Basically, what you can do is you can or put your own saved outfits that you have saved on Roblox. You can put them in these games. So for example, my username is Xalex0x. You can always use my outfits, I really don't care. And as you can see, I have 183 outfits saved. So if I want to import them, I click on all outfits and then import. And I want them as R15 in this case. And as you can see, I have a lot of different styles and everything. So if I want something, I can just click on it. Let's see. For example, this outfit. It's actually an R6 outfit, but I want this outfit, for example. So I'll just place it over here. I'll rotate it. And I'll make sure that this outfit is in the outfits folder. So I'll just scroll up, put it in the outfits folder. I'll change the name just to keep everything in check, and everything needs to be a different name. And the other ones, we can delete them. As soon as I put it in the outfits folder, then it should work. And as you can see, it does. So that's basically all you have to do if you do it in this way. You can also make your own outfits, but this is a little bit more tricky. So by doing this, what I recommend doing is getting a base. If you are in my Discord server, you can also download these bases. I'll showcase it really quickly. This is my server, Xalex, just discord.gg/Xalex, and you are in here. Basically, I have a lot of stuff that is for these outfit games. And if we go down to the, let me see, it's a big server, as you can see. This is the outfit kit, I'm sorry. The free goodies one. I have here some base avatars. So you can download these. It's also a Roblox file. And then we can open it. And here we have some files. So basically, just 3 different skin colors. You can always change it, of course. But I just wanted to make it easier for you guys to use. So for example, if I want to use this one, I will just copy it. Oh, different file. Copy it, paste it in here, rotate it. And as you can see, the whole thing is empty. It has core blocks and it has a headless on it. And that's it. So if we want to change this, what you do in the plugin is just click on the t-shirt guy, and then you'll be able to see what is on the avatar. So now we have headless, core blocks, these arms, these torso. But before we want to add something, we want to make sure, and please make sure you have something on. So we are going down, scrolling down, and we see update humanoid description. And we click on enable. It needs to be enabled. By default, it's disabled. So click on enable, and then you can go and change the avatar. So how do we do this? So we go to the marketplace, and we're going to make an outfit. So in this case, I'm just going to look, hey, what kind of hair do I want? I'll open it up. And you see this code in the URL. We want to copy this. And we want to go back to our outfit. And you see here accessory ID. We paste it in here. It loads in. And then you can click on import. And now you see it's on the avatar. If we didn't click on update humanoid description, what it basically would happen is, if you go into game, it would have the hair on with this kit, but in the humanoid description, which is actually here, it would not say that it has hair. So you can double check if you did it correctly, and that's by, if I place something in, does it also go in the humanoid description? If it does, then it works, and then you have nothing to worry about. If it doesn't, then again, check the settings. Because if it's not in there, basically, people cannot buy it. That's the simple way of explaining it. Okay, your game is now functional, it works, and if you press play or you publish it, it will work. But there's a few scripts in there, other stuff we can change and make it more personal, so that's what I'm going to showcase now. So, first of all, we have a chat tag script. And this is in the starter GUI. It's a local script. You double tap it on and it will open. You can add your own username for owners, for example, and also add your developers, moderators, etc. If you want to, you can add it in here, and when they type in the chat, they will get their own chat tag. So as you can see, the owner, they will get a crown, and it's by default in the white color because I did it that way. If you want to change something, you can just change it. Just paste a different emoji in here or a text, and that's it. Keep in mind, this color is for the owner one, and this color is for the crown one, the little tags that's keeping it together. That's the color of it. So if you want to change something, as I did here, just a showcase, I changed it to a red color, and I changed the member tag from your group. I changed that into love. Again, you can change this as well, but keep in mind this is a member tag, so it has to do with your group. So how do you do that? You need your group ID, and you paste it in here. And you get your group ID by just going to Roblox, and you go to communities, and then again in the URL you'll have your group ID. Everything works with IDs, as you can see. So then you go back to your script and you just paste it in there, and when you do that, that's it. It works. And then I also want to showcase the name tag script. So basically, again, you'll put your group ID in here, and this is not one that I made. It's a free script, but I just wanted to put it in the kit because a lot of people use it and they can never find it. But it's just a free script, and basically that gives you the head tag above your head with a little profile picture. And in my case, because I am the owner, it says owner. If, for example, your friend is in your group and they have the group role friend, then it will say friend above their head. Same goes for developer, etc. So that's just the name tag. For the chat tag, if you type in something, you add it yourself, then you see the little tags. And that's because I am in my own group, of course. But if I would have changed it to owner, then it will say owner, of course. So yeah, that's it. Just insert your own usernames and your group ID, and then that's fixed. So the last thing that I want to show and explain is the music. So there's a music system in this kit. Again, this is also not made by me and not changed by me. But basically, if you go to Starter GUI, you will see here Music GUI, and you will see a script Music Manager and a frame. And this is just going to play the music, whatever you have put in the music holder folder. It needs to be exactly this name, and also has some music, of course, in it. So how do you add music? If this is your first time, you probably don't have it. But we're going to open the toolbox and then go to the second tab, and then instead of my models, we go to my audio. And then you see all the audio you have saved. If this is your first time or it's a new account, you probably don't have anything saved. So I'm going to show you how to get these. If you're on Roblox, then you can go to the create page, then we go to store, and we click on audio. And all these are just free. You pick one that you like, for example this one, a very popular one, relaxing. If you want to, then you click on, okay, so I already have it. So we're going to try something that I don't have. So get audio, you just click on that, and then it's added into my inventory. So then we head over back into Roblox Studio, we reopen this, and then we see the Paradise Falls that I just added in. So we click on music holder, and we just check, that's the one that we wanted, and click on insert, and now it's in this folder and it will play. So if we click on play, now first one of the music is loading in. If you want to skip, you can, and it automatically goes to the next song, and that's it. Okay, so now you can make your own successful outfit game, which is very exciting. But I can understand that there's maybe a few questions you might still have, or that I didn't elaborate in this video. So please let them know down below in the comments, and then I'll try to make a video about it as fast as possible. But if you need a quick answer, which I can understand, because it can be frustrating, for example, for if it's your first time in studio, if that's the case, make sure to join our Discord server. It's discord.gg/Xalex. You can see it on the screen as well. And if you join this server, what you can expect is just a community full of people that also are in this business. They like to make outfit games or have a successful outfit game / group. So you can find a lot of people that will answer your question, or I will personally answer it for you. You can also already find a lot of answers in there. And besides that, it's just an active server, a bunch of people that are just very kind to talk to, amazing mods that I'm very grateful for, and we also have a bunch of free stuff that you can buy. So for example, you can buy their free stuff that you can buy. I mean, you can also get your free scripts from there. Some scripts that I made, but there's also a bunch of people sharing their own scripts that they made. And there's also free assets like models, etc. that you can build with in your game. And those are also free and made by me. And that's it. Yeah, I hope to see you there. If you're just kind and not toxic, then you're definitely welcome. And yeah, so I love to see you there. Bye bye.